So, dear all, we are going to start our second poetry of the class 10th. It has described about a tiger, how he behaves in his natural habitat and in man-made habitats. Uh, First of all, we have to start a brief summary of the poem. So, listen carefully and try to get it. This poem contrasts a tiger when it is in its natural habitat and when it is imprisoned in a zoo. On a starry night, the poet sees a tiger in a zoo. The tiger moves slowly up and down in his cage. He is full of rage but is quiet in his helplessness. वह असहाय है क्योंकि वह जू में है, वह दूसरे के कंट्रोल में है. The poet is moved to pity for the tiger. He says that the tiger should have been in the jungle. He should have been moving quietly in the shadows near some water hole and waiting for a plump deer to pass that way. But sadly, he is locked behind bars in a concrete cell. He takes no notice of the visitors and is looking at the brilliant stars with his brilliant eyes. Now he has to be content with merely looking at the stars. He is no longer free to move in his natural habitat and look at the brilliant stars from there. So, this is the brief summary. We'll explain the poem in next part.